Alright guys, modelrocket 321 here. Stay tuned for a sped up version. I'm going to do a build of the red flare. It's a new release, an upscale release by Estes. Flies on D and E engines. It should be a good rocket and a good build. I mean, I really like this one. It flies on with a 316 rod, but I'm going to replace that 316 launch lugs with some quarter lugs because I don't have a 316 rod and I always use the quarter. I'm pretty sure this rocket's big enough to handle the quarter also. So stay tuned and let's watch a quick build. modelrocket 321. Subscribe, check the links, and be right back. And behold, the red flare is all complete. Stands about 2 feet tall. Seems like a big beefed up alpha, sorta. But it's its own thing. I'll respect it as its own thing. Got this reflective body. Kind of like a reflective material. Has a name. I forget. Somebody said it somewhere. I think I saw on Instagram. But a really cool looking rocket. Had to do all the decals. 24mm motor. Long one. With, you will need the spacer if you're flying the D12 motors, but you can fly the E12 long motors in it. Pretty cool rocket. I gotta say, I like it. I can't wait to get this one flying. It will be flying real soon. Whenever I get back out to fly again, I will put this guy up. Not a complete RTF, but you had to do some work. But nope, it's zero painting. So the cone came black, as you saw, black fins. These two rings here. Part of building up the motor mount. I do like how they did that. That was pretty unique. You hooked this bottom fin and then it laid over top of this ring, and then the body too get glued in from there. But really nice. Only thing I added on my own was these launch lugs. I had a spare pair of red ones like that already around. These are the cardboard types because I want to fly 316 rod. So that's the only part that I deviated from. They're glued on with epoxy, so they're on pretty good. But overall, a good looking rocket. And I hope you enjoyed that build. Subscribe to the channel. Check the links below. Check the modelrocket 321 Weebly site. See what I got on there. There's a couple rockets on there. Some other stuff on there. And yeah. So I'm going to let you guys go. It's modelrocket 321. And you just saw the red flare. Can't wait to send this guy up. modelrocket 321 and I'm out.